Hello, and welcome to Critical Environment Technology's video tutorial series, SCC Set Points and Test Function. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate adjusting alarm set points, setting relay on-off delays, and performing test functions. Adjusting alarm set points. Each SCC is shipped from the factory with default alarm set points for each channel, but you may want to change these settings. In this example, we are going to set Channel 1 alarm set point to 35 ppm. To adjust the alarm set point, you need to calculate the corresponding voltage for the ppm concentration. Using the formula on the screen, we know the value we want to set is 35 ppm and the CO sensor range is 200 ppm, so the corresponding volt reading for 35 ppm is 0.7 volts. With the voltmeter attached to test points TP1 and TP2, leave the jumper on channel 1 and move the idle jumper to set alarm 1. Turn the rotary encoder dial until 0.7 volts is displayed on the voltmeter. Move the set alarm 1 jumper back to idle. Now channel 1 alarm set point has been set to 35 ppm. Follow these same steps using set alarm 2 to adjust the set point for alarm 2 if required. Setting relay on-off delays. The SCC has configurable on and off delays for each relay. Each relay is local to the relay and independent of the tripping channel. The factory default on-off delay setting for each relay is 0 minutes. In this exercise, we are going to set relay 1 on-time delay to 5 minutes. First, we need to calculate the corresponding voltage for 5 minutes. Using the formula on the screen, we know the desired delay is 5 minutes. The factory default max delay is 20 minutes. So the corresponding volt reading for 5 minutes is 1 volt. With the voltmeter attached to test points TP1 and TP2, leave the jumper on channel 1 relay 1 and move the idle jumper to set relay on delay. Turn the rotary encoder dial until 1 volt is displayed on the voltmeter. The encoder changes the delay time in 10-second increments. Move the set relay on delay jumper back to idle. Now relay 1 on time delay is set to 5 minutes. Similarly, you can follow the same procedure to set relay off delay by moving the jumper from the idle position to set relay off delay position. Test functions. The test functions procedure enables you to confirm that the hardware is functioning properly, such as the LED lights are working, the buzzer is sounding, and both relays are energizing and de-energizing. You cannot enter test mode if there is an alarm level detected on either channel. To enter test mode, move the idle jumper to the test position. If jumper is enabled, the buzzer will beep 3 times. This is the factory default for the buzzer. Watch the voltmeter. Test points TP1 and TP2 should output 4 volts. Watch the LED lights on the front of the enclosure as they cycle their test functions and make sure they all turn on and channel 1 and channel 2 show both green and red lights. To test relay 1, turn the rotary encoder dial clockwise slowly until relay 1 produces an audible click. The test points will output 3 volts and the relay 1 LED light on the board will turn off. To test relay 2, turn the rotary encoder dial counterclockwise slowly until relay 2 produces an audible click. The test points will output 2 volts and the relay LED light will go off. Move the jumper back to the idle position to exit the test mode. Please note, the unit will automatically exit the test mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. Also, relay on delays do not apply when in the test mode. However, the relay off delays will apply when the test mode times out or the jumper is moved back to the idle position. This completes the instructions on adjusting alarm set points, setting relay on-off delays, and performing test functions in the SCC. If you would like more information or in-depth training, you can sign up to take our service training courses. Please visit us at criticalenvironment.com or call 1-877-940-8741.